A creamy chicken recipe you can pair with rice, mashed potatoes, or pasta. Super sarap! Creamy spinach chicken. Let's start cooking! Ito, meron akong chicken breast. I'm always eating chicken breast ngayon kasi part of my diet. Pero this sauce today, hindi siya very pang-diet kasi it's so creamy. Pero sobrang niyang sarap and sobrang niyang daling gawin. So ito siya, when you're in a rush, galing kayo sa office, you want to eat something good, ayaw nyo kumain sa labas, gusto nyo sa bahay, pero ayaw nyo ng lutong bahay masyado yung feels, ito yung gawin nyo. So ito, chicken breast fillets, then season lang natin with salt and pepper. Yan. Yan. Rush, bilis tayo kasi nagugutom na galing sa office. Traffic, yan. Simple lang. Yan. And ay! Sobrang dali. Ingat lang. Yan. So, dredge in our flour. Yan. Bilis. Mainit na ang ulo ng kuan. Sino bang mainit ang ulo sa inyo pag nagugutom? Mainit na ulo. Bilis. Yan. Konting oil. And konting butter. And immediately, we will sear our chicken. Skin side down. To. Saing. Bilis ng saing. Or pasta. 10 minutes. Luto na yung ating pasta. And kaya ako gusto ko ng chicken fillet kasi it cooks very quickly, no? Ganyan lang siya. At saka hindi ka nag-worry kung nagiging hilaw, no? And ang chicken breast, pag bantayan mo lang yung cooking, hindi siya nagda-dry. Yan, oh, brown na siya. Oh. And on the side, I will add my garlic. Daming garlic. And my onions. Dito ko nalagay yung onions sa gilid. It's cooking very nicely, oh. So, sabay naluluto yung ating chicken. So, saute yung ating onions. I will just drizzle a little bit of vinegar, around 1 tablespoon or a little bit more. And lulutuin natin yung vinegar, ha, para mawala yung sharpness ng acidity niya. But it will balance all the flavors kasi very creamy itong ating sauce, no? Kung hindi natin lalagyan ng konting acid, magiging umay, no? That's good. Season with a little salt. Konting salt. I will add my pesto. Pesto is made from blending nuts and basil leaves with a lot of olive oil and Parmesan cheese. Yeah, next time gagawa tayo ng pesto from scratch, ha. Spinach. Yan. And we will pour our cream. So I'm using here cooking cream, ha. Yan. Add it there. Konti na, maluluto na siya. And to finish, ito yung gagawin natin. So, mayroon akong mozzarella dito. Or you can use any melting cheese. Put it on top. Ganyan siya. And ang flavors ito, alam kong gustong-gusto nyo yan dahil, di ba, gusto nyo yung pizza na may spinach. Melt that. Cover it with our... Hindi tumiming! Mali. Pero gagana yan, di ba? So, huwag ka na ma-stress. Yan. Sige na nga! And it's ready. Look at that. Want to ready? Oh my God, look at that. Ang sarap nila. Look at that. Oh? Di ba ganyan mga recipe ba na sobrang simple pero akala mo ang hirap gawin pero hit na hit ito. And may mashed potatoes tayo. And it's time for me to taste. At nandito naman tayo sa ating sorry doc portion. Very nice, very tender, oh. Oh, look at that. Oh, may mozzarella cheese. The mozzarella cheese is optional, pero pag meron, winner na winner. And, grabe. Sobrang dali natin ginawa ang ating creamy spinach chicken with mozzarella. Simple! Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!